When selecting a mass flow meter, consider the following key factors. 1. Fluid type and characteristics. Identify whether you're measuring gas, liquid, or steam. Consider properties like corrosiveness, viscosity, temperature, and pressure to ensure compatibility. 2. Flow range and accuracy. Determine the expected flow range and choose a meter that accurately measures both minimum and maximum rates. High variability may require a meter with a wide dynamic range. 3. Pipe size and installation requirements. Ensure the meter matches your pipe's diameter and connection type. Be mindful of installation orientations and space constraints to maintain measurement accuracy. For operating temperature and pressure, verify that the meter can operate within your system's temperature and pressure conditions, especially in extreme environments. 5. Signal output and electrical requirements. Select a meter with compatible signal outputs and power needs for seamless integration into your control systems. 6. Durability and maintenance. Opt for meters made from durable materials suitable for your environment. Consider ease of maintenance to ensure long-term reliability. 7. Certifications and regulatory compliance. Ensure the meter meets industry standards and certifications relevant to your application. 8. Cost and supplier support. Balance cost with performance. Choose reputable suppliers who offer good warranties and responsive customer service. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can select a mass flow meter that ensures accurate and reliable measurements for your specific application.